It's just Mary back at it again. And once again, we back with the soup. Bad news on this jump, but let's get this cold start, if it starts. In the soup right now. She running. She's still overheating. I was gonna drive her home yet last night, but she's still overheating for some reason. But my job still ain't look at it. So I took it out my job. Now I'm just gonna order the parts and just go from there, because obviously they're not gonna look at it. So what's the meaning of me having this car just sit here and I'm paying for it? And man, this shit is depressing. Look at that, every light on, check engine light, traction control light, brake light, ABS light. She sound good though, except that. You hear that? She sound good. But yeah, I'm gonna just order the parts for her, and that's just really gonna be it, bro. Cause I'm just order the parts and just pay somebody to fix it. Because right now, it looks like they don't have time, obviously. But I'm paying for it, so they don't have time for money, I guess. I ain't arguing. I ain't stressing about it. Just gonna order the parts and we just gonna go from there. But bad news with the soup, man. I know I ain't upload a video in a couple days and all that, but I've been trying to get some shit handled and situated. So she dirty too. I ain't even get a chance to clean this joint out. Dirty. But right now it's cool. Like, it didn't get up to operating temperature yet, but like it got like a coolant leak and everything, and I don't know why. Well, obviously it's coolant leak from somewhere, so we get your little walk there. Hey, she lies. Like, it's like, I don't know. Look, see it? Like, all that's coolant, bro. All that coolant. And I don't know, you hear that? I don't know what that is. There's all the scratches in the paint. It's a dent right here. She sound wonderful. Don't know if that sounds good, but she sounds wonderful. Man, it's probably the end of this little mini video. I'm just don't want to make it too long, but I'm gonna get her towed home. I gotta get it registered and all that too. I'm gonna get it towed home and just work on her from there. But listen to this, John, though. Look. Yeah, man, video over. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. And we out of here. Still at work too. So we out of here. Gonna upload this either tomorrow